Here we're going to be talking about, did Chainsaw Man actually live up to the hype that it received upon it coming out? And the anime received a huge amount of hype, right? And if you guys don't know what I mean a huge amount. I mean, when it first came out, the Crunchyroll servers literally crashed for how many people clicked onto this anime when it first released. And even before it came out, the manga sales were off the hook. And we're just going to jump straight into the video. So the manga, when it first was released, the manga altogether has sold 18 million manga, and it's not surprising given the amount of hype the anime received before coming out, being compared to some of the other top shonen